Hello my dear student, welcome back. Today we will do unit 7 from page number 32. In this unit we will study about that how we will make the better world. Unit 7, building a better world. We all want to make this world a beautiful place where everybody is happy and satisfied. However, the problem is that we do not know where to start and how to proceed. In fact, there is an easy way to build a better world, to build a better you. If you want to bring about some changes in this world, the best person to start with is you yourself. I can change the world. We will read this story. Long ago, people happily lived under the rule of a king. One day the king decided to go on a travel to visit pilgrim centers at distant places. He decided to travel by foot to interact with his people. People of distant places were so happy to have a conversation with their king, and they were proud that their king was so kind with a good heart. After several weeks, he returned to the palace. He was happy with his journey, except for one reason. He had unbearable pain on his feet, as it was his first trip by foot to longer distance. He complained to his ministers that the roads were not comfortable and were stony. He made an order to cover the roads of the whole country with velvet. His ministers were surprised to hear his orders, as it would cost a huge amount of money. A wise man from the ministry came to the king and said he had another idea. He had, why don't you make a pair of good shoes to cover your feet? The king was impressed by his suggestion and congratulated the minister. He ordered for a pair of leather shoes and requested the countrymen to wear shoes. This is the chapter. First we have to change, then we make a better world. What message does the story share with us? Write it in your own words. You have to write, we can change ourselves to make this world better. Write this answer on your book. Take out the next page. See the conversation. I cannot make everybody sincere, but I can be sincere in little things I do. I cannot clean the whole world, but I can keep my body, house and compound clean. I cannot control everything, but I can control my emotions and actions. I cannot make others love me, but I can love others. I cannot change others, but I can change myself. I cannot love everybody, but I can love those around me. I cannot make everybody happy, but I can make my near and dear ones happy. We can change ourselves. Now see the exercise of this chapter. First write moral. Build a better world to build a better you. This is the moral. Number 1. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. A part. Why do we fail to make this world beautiful? Right answer. We fail to make this world beautiful because we do not know where to start and how to proceed. Next B part. How can we build a better world? We can build a better world to build a better you. Next C part. How can we contribute to cleanliness? Right answer. By making our body, house and compound clean. Next D part. How will we begin to build a happy world? Answer: by making everybody happy and satisfied. Next question number 2 is true false. A part: I can make everybody sincere. False. B part: I cannot make anybody happy. False. C part: I can make some changes in the world. True. D part: the change should start with myself. True. Take next. Question number 3 is on the page number 36. There are a number of things you can do to make this world a heaven. Write down some of them below. Number 1, we can change with some things. Help others, love others. Number 3, be responsible and be sincere. Okay students, you have to write all this exercise on your book and you have to learn it properly. Thank you and have a nice day.